Hello again, everybody, and here I just wanted to show you my products that I've done. So here's some pictures of some candles that I've created, scented candles, and you can see there's scripture on it. Custom made again. Here's another candle that I've done, and yet another with a quote, someone's favorite quote on there. And why are they showing up double? Oh yeah, never mind the slideshow. It's going to be double because I have to do some things. But here's some more candles. You can see the variety. Forgiveness, grace, whatever you want on there. That's another picture that I had to, you get the point. Here are my candles that were done for a wedding for a very good friend of mine and her wonderful husband, Nolan. And, there they are, the lovely, beautiful couple. And it was such a glorious, lovely day. And here's pictures of some chocolates that I've done. Very decadent. There's one with a thank you sign, a thank you message on it for my guests. Some more chocolates, and I can do a variety. I can do different designs, as you can see here. Chocolate covered pretzels are in there as well, and things like that. So continue to take a look and enjoy. And I hope to be hearing from you soon. And you just do it like that, Donna. Just a little example of what you could do. And of course, you either do it as a slideshow like this, or you could just have your be on camera showing your face, however you choose, just to make it personable. Let people get to know you, see your face, and want to do business with you, want to buy from you because they know you. So that is my example here, a rough draft. All right, so hope you enjoy. Oh, I use that as a background picture for it, but of course that can be changed, and that's the end of the slideshow.